Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix controller or gamepad not working in 007 First Light game. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on 007 First Light game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on 007 First Light game and then click on properties. Then go to the controller tab and here first select disable Steam input and then just restart the game because changing requires restart of the game. So simply restart 007 First Light game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the 007 First Light game properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the game. And after restarting the game, check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller or gamepad is working in 007 First Light game or not. Fix 3. Disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers such as DS4 Windows or any other virtual controllers connected to your PC or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4. Check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. And wired controller, try plugging it into different ports and check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the problem. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Fix 6 is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So simply close the Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch 007 First Light game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC, then run launcher or Steam as an admin and then check. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix controller or gamepad not working in 007 First Light game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.